I'm Kirsten. I'm Golden.
I'm Heather.
And I'm there.
Today we are making slime.
Slime.
Yeah.
Fun. Yeah, it'd be fun.
Alright, these are our ingredients. Glue, water, cornstarch, borax, fluffy soap.
Foamy
soap, yeah. And shaving cream and glue.
And coloring the first part.
Okay, our first step is to take 1 teaspoon of borax and put it into 1 cup of warm water.
Oh, all of it.
And then mix it together until it dissolves.
Yeah, and
It's like
Mix
salt.
it together.
yeah, kind of like salt. You're right, Hayden. You can knock it on your phone.
And we almost got it dissolved.
Let me finish.
So we're just he's gonna keep stirring it while we move on.
I was on action.
Next, we're gonna put in 1/2 cup of regular school glue. Measure it out.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Did you get a lot?
Yep.
Let's see.
Bear, can you go get a rag?
Yep. We got 1/2 cup.
Casey, go get a rag, please.
No, now.
It's okay.
I'm
Y'all, we're recording.
Yeah. Almost fully dissolved.
Now go ahead and pour that into your bowl.
Okay. Whoa.
Jason, go get us a spoon, please.
Yes. Whoa. Holy crap.
Not yet.
Can I make it?
Shh, not yet. It's not your turn.
Oh, God.
He's getting a spoon and then just scrape it all off in there.
And also, can you go get it?
Okay, next, Colton is going to take and dump 1/2 cup of shaving cream into our glue so we can make it foamy and fluffy. We're going to make fluffy slime.
You want Bub's help?
Let him try. Can you do it without dropping the bowl? Hayden, help him. You hold it and Hayden will scoop it out.
Like ice cream.
Good job. Scoop some more.
The foam is not tasty, kids. Don't
What do you
eat
think,
it.
Cole? You going to make some fluffy slime?
Don't eat the foam at home. That's all. Foam can kill you. Don't do it. Is it about to be my turn?
Mm-hmm. All right, that's good.
What am I going
You did good. And next, we're going to add in some foam soap, 1/2 cup, into our shaving cream and glue. We're using scented soap, so it makes our fluffy slime smell really good. Go ahead, Kason, and add it in.
Mom, can I do it then? Yep.
When it's your turn to do something, go ahead. Scoop it all in.
Hey! I'm gonna go over here and watch. It looks so satisfying, you guys. What? This one, I gotta get off. Hayden's giving me looks.
After we've mixed in our shaving cream and our glue and our soap, we're gonna mix it all together. Mix it. You gotta get this stuff right here. Mix it good.
Need some help?
No, I can do it.
Keep mixing.
Keep watching. This is satisfying, you guys.
Okay. And now that this is all mixed together, we're gonna add in a tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken it up.
And I'll swirl it. As you can see, the cornstarch is getting in all this glue, foam, and other stuff.
All right, Colton, come here.
Keep watching.
Come on up on the table. Go ahead.
Fine.
All right. And now Colton is gonna add in a couple of drops of food coloring.
Go,
So we have
Colton.
some color to our slime. Go ahead, Cole.
Why do we have to do red?
Ooh, it's orange. All right, that's enough. That's enough. And then Kasten is going to add in a couple of squirts of hand lotion or body
Yeah.
lotion. Yeah.
Just a couple, not too much.
All right, that's enough.
Can I get
That's
all of
enough.
that?
Go on.
And then, but I'll be stirring it. Mom, can I do it then,
Okay.
Mom?
Now we're going to slowly add in our
Mommy,
borax and water
Mommy,
mix.
Mom,
Slowly.
Mom,
No, no, no. Do it with the spoon.
Mom, can I do? Mom, can I do it then?
Drop it in.
Mom, can I do it then?
Go on. Only Bear, stir it up good. Keep mixing it while he's adding it in.
Mommy, can I do it then? Mom.
I said slow.
Mommy?
In just a minute, you're going to get to play with it.
Pretty satisfying, you guys.
You say that a lot.
Satisfying. Yeah.
As you can see, our slime is starting to thicken up. Look at that. And it looks like we can take it, oops, sorry. Looks like we can take it out and start working it with our hands. Ooh. And now that it's thickened up, we remove it from the bowl and just work it with our hands. Look at it. Stretch it out, Hayden.
Can we get some?
Yeah, just a minute. Alright, pass it on to your next brother. Let him fill it.
I'm just going to take a piece.
Now, if you need to and it doesn't feel right or if it's too sticky, you can just... Ooh, it's really fluffy. Go ahead, mix it up. Keep mixing it. Anyway, if you need to, just go ahead and you can add some more borax and water mix. If it doesn't feel right, if it's too sticky.
I'm not ready. Mom. Can I have my turn?
Just a minute. So, what do y'all got? What do you guys think?
I think it's awesome. Okay, can I have my turn?
Keep your hands clean.
Oh.
So, what do we say? Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit that little bell and leave a like.
And also comment down below if you want us to do next. Yes. Or you can see us do some other stuff next.
Are we done? Bye bye.
Bye.